Welcome to our in-depth tutorial on building a personalized onboarding journey using React and Redux. In today's fast-paced digital landscape, user retention is crucial. A personalized onboarding experience not only helps users understand your application, but also increases their engagement and satisfaction. By the end of this video, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of how to leverage React and Redux to create tailored walkthroughs, contextual tutorials, and dynamic state management for a seamless user onboarding experience. Let's get started. Let's begin by understanding the key concepts that form the backbone of creating personalized onboarding experiences. First, we have React and Redux. React is a powerful JavaScript library for building user interfaces, especially single-page applications, where dynamic and responsive user experiences are essential. Redux, on the other hand, provides a predictable state management framework, ensuring your application's state is consistent and manageable across various components. Now, what does personalization mean in onboarding? It's about tailoring the onboarding process to meet individual user needs. This can include walkthroughs, tutorials, and contextual hints that adapt based on user input, behavior, or preferences. With Redux, you can manage the onboarding state dynamically, allowing for real-time updates and transitions that make the experience seamless and engaging. To illustrate these concepts, let's look at a practical example. We'll create a basic structure for our personalized onboarding journey using React and Redux. We'll start by setting up our project dependencies. Here's a look at our package.json file. This file lists all the necessary libraries and packages needed for our project. As you can see, we have React, Redux, and several other dependencies that will help us build our application. Let's explore the content of this file. Now, let's demonstrate how our personalized onboarding journey works in a real-world scenario. As users enter the application, they are greeted with a welcoming homepage. From here, they can start the onboarding process, which guides them through various steps. Each step is designed to introduce users to different features and functionalities of the application. For instance, the first step welcomes users and invites them to begin. Subsequent steps allow them to customize preferences and explore key features. The journey concludes with a completion message, affirming that the onboarding process is finished and the user is ready to proceed. This dynamic flow is made possible by the intricate state management provided by Redux, ensuring each user receives a tailored experience. In conclusion, building a personalized onboarding journey with React and Redux is about more than just integrating technology. It's about creating meaningful experiences. By leveraging these tools, developers can enhance user retention and satisfaction by crafting dynamic, tailored onboarding journeys. As we continue to navigate an increasingly digital world, mastering these concepts will be essential for anyone looking to create impactful user experiences. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope you found it insightful and are inspired to apply these techniques in your own projects. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you enjoyed this video. Until next time, happy coding.